Hi students, how have you been? Hope you all are good and healthy at home. Welcome you all to the world of database. What is a database? A database is an organized collection of data. You can visualize it as a container of information. The data is typically organized to model relevant aspects of reality in a way that supports processes requiring this information. In this session, we will discuss basic concepts of database. What is a data? Data, a collection of raw facts and figures, raw material that can be processed by any computing machine, a collection of facts from which conclusions may be drawn. Data can be represented in the form of numbers and words, which can be stored in computer's language. What is information? Information, systematic and meaningful form of data. Knowledge acquired through study or experience. Information helps human beings in their decision making. Okay. Database, a repository of logically related and similar data. An organized collection of related information so that it can easily be accessed, managed, and updated. Examples of this database: dictionary, library, airline database, railways timetable, student database, YouTube. These all are examples of this database. Why this database? Redundancy can be reduced. Inconsistency can be avoided. The data can be shared. Standards can be enforced. Security restrictions can be applied. Integrity can be maintained. And provision of data independence. Because of these reasons, a database is very important. Okay. Database can be created with the help of given structure: character, field, record, file, database. Information, when data is processed, organized, structured, or presented in a given context so as to make it useful, is called information. Character, the value or data are in the form of letter, number, or special character. File, a file is a collection of related record. The database structure is like this: character, field, record, file, then database. Okay. Data are raw facts. It must be formatted for storage, processing, and presentation. Database, collection of logically interrelated data. Database management, the creation and maintenance of a collection of organized data. Then database management system. DBMS, it is a software package designed to define, manipulate, retrieve, and manage data in a database. Need for DBMS: provide a highly efficient method for handling large amount of different types of data with ease. Database allows data to be stored systematically. Data can be easily retrieved, filtered, sorted, and updated efficiently and accurately. Types of database. Two different types of databases are the flat file database and relational database. First one, flat file database. Simple database system that stores, record, in a plain text file that have no structured relationship between each record. All the data is held in a single file which is two-dimensional. Rows for records and columns for fields. This is flat file database. Second one, relational database. More advanced and efficient type of database which can store very large amount of data in a set of tables that are linked together. The term database on its own means a relational database. Okay. RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. RDBMS is the basis for SQL and for all modern database systems like MS SQL Server, IBM DB2, Oracle, MySQL and Microsoft Access. A Relational Database Management System, RDBMS, is a database management system that is based on the relational model as introduced by E.F. Coad. Who introduced relational model? E.F. Coad. The data in RDBMS is stored in database objects called tables. Okay. Database servers. Database servers are dedicated computers that hold the actual databases and run only the DBMS and the related software. Users access a database server either through a front end which displays the requested data or through backend which runs on the server and handles tasks such as data analysis and storage. Okay. We discussed the basics of database concepts. Okay guys, I hope it's clear to you. The notes of the topic is attached. Go through it and study very well. You have to identify each and every terms of this database. Okay, that's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.